In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shake to reveal Instagram story, okay? As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content our viewers are looking for. Make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake that will ruin the whole process, okay? After downloading Instagram app, just open it by clicking on the app like this. Then click on the plus sign to the left near your profile picture, this one here, this button. Then select the photo that you want to add on your Instagram story or take a picture. I'll just choose a random photo here. Let me just go with this photo. After selecting the photo, what you want to do is click on the sticker icon, this one here, then tap on frames, then select your photo once again, then write a caption about the photo, anything, just write good morning, just a random caption. Then click done. After doing that, you just click done. When you post these Instagram stories, your viewers will be asked to shake their mobile phone in order to reveal the photo hidden behind the frame. Thank you guys for watching. If you found help in this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.